Hi there, I am Dr. Ashish Singh, consultant orthopedic surgeon and a joint replacement surgeon working at Anup Institute of Orthopaedics and Rehabilitation. Patient safety is our priority. But in corona situation, health worker safety is also our priority. So save the health worker and we will save you. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. J.K. Jain, Superintendent, Anup Hospital. Patient safety is our priority. Save health workers, save patient.
I am Dr. Annu Narayan. We are all committed to the safety of the patients. Save medical professionals and we will save you.
I am Dr.Sushil Singh, consultant spine surgeon, Anup Hospital. Patient safety is our priority, but in corona situation, health worker safety is also a priority. Save health worker, we save you. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Rishav Singh. We are committed for patient safety. You will be safety for medical workers. He will save you.
Hello, Namaste. I am Dr. Kumar, consultant orthopedic surgeon, Anup Hospital. Patient safety is our priority, but in corona situation, health worker safety is also our concern. So save health workers, we will save you. Thank you.
I am Dr. Ashok Singh, consultant plastic surgeon, Anup Hospital. Patient safety is our priority. Save health worker, save patient.
नमस्कार, हमारा नाम डॉक्टर विश्वेंद्र कुमार झा है. हम अनूप इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ऑर्थोपेडिक्स एंड रिहैबिलिटेशन में सीनियर रेसिडेंट ऑर्थोपेडिक ट्रेनी छी. आई वर्ल्ड सेफ्टी पेशेंट सेफ्टी डे के लेल हमर सबके एकटा मैसेज है, अहाँ हमर सबके सुरक्षा करू, हम अहाँ सबके और पूरे पेशेंट के सुरक्षा करब. नमस्कार.
I am Dr. Arun Jairaj. I am the DNB resident in Anup Institute of Orthopaedics and Rehabilitation, Patna. And I am committed towards the safety of the patients. And in this World Patient Safety Day, my message to you is, നിങ്ങൾ health workersനെ സംരക്ഷിക്കൂ, നിങ്ങൾ patientsനെ സംരക്ഷിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
My name is Dr. Rishav Singh from our DNB postgraduate from Anup Institute of Orthopaedics and Rehabilitation, Patna. I am from Delhi, and my only message to you all is that save a health worker so that we can save patients.
मैं अर्जुन प्रसाद, ओटी इंचार्ज, अनूप इंस्टीट्यूट. हम मरीज के सुरक्षा के लिए तत्पर रहते हैं. हेल्थ वर्कर सेव पेशेंट्स.